A question I often get is if I haven't worn my Rolex for a few days and the second hand's not moving, exactly what do I do to get it going? Easy. Rolexes are going to have a crown that screws down. You're going to turn the crown clockwise, and when you do this, you'll feel it release. You'll get a little bit of tension to it, pull it all the way out, set the time, push it all the way back in as far as it'll go without screwing it, and then you're going to turn it counterclockwise, maybe 20, 25 times, and you'll see the second hand start to move. This engages the movement and gets the motor running on it. Once you get the motor engaged, make sure you push the crown all the way in, turn it counterclockwise as well until it stops and you have the screw down crown re-engaged. And that's the best way to start and stop your Rolex. And if you don't want to wear your watch every day, you want to take it off, the best thing I can tell you is to find a watch winder. Beautiful piece here. You put your watch on the cuff, set it inside, turn it on, and as you can see, it keeps the motor engaged as it spins. It will spin every few minutes, a couple times an hour, and it's just enough to keep that watch engaged. This has been the latest episode of Keeping It Shiny. I hope you learn how to set and start your watch. Stay tuned for future episodes.